Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify XTB account. The first thing I want you to do, of course, after you've entered your email address, your country of residence, you have declared all of this, you can proceed to the next step, right? Proceed to that, declare you have agreed to the terms, and what you need to do is just enter your mobile number and click here, send SMS with a link. They'll go ahead and send you a link that you need to open, and that will allow you to proceed with your verification process. Make sure it is a phone with a camera because you'll be needing to take a photo of your document. So the identification document can either be a passport, a driving license, or an ID card. Remember, screenshots are not allowed, and your details need to match with what you have entered while you're creating your account. The name, the surname, the date of birth, and after you're done with that, your account will be verified. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.